Welcome back to ExplainCAD. In this tutorial we will create the pneumatic cylinder piston. For that we create this part. This is the drawing of the part, section view of the part piston. I select top plane, sketch, normal. First of all I select circle command and draw one circle here. Right click, select option. Diameter of this circle 133.35. Select smart dimension. Select the circle 133.35. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to features, extruded boss base feature and extrude it up to 57. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Again select circle command and draw one circle here. Right click, select option. Diameter of this circle 146.05. Smart dimension. Select this circle 146.05. Select OK. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to features, extruded boss base feature, select offset. Here is the 3 mm distance from here to here, so we select offset 3 mm. Direction, this dimension 9 mm, extrude it up to 9 mm. Select reverse direction. In offset, select also reverse direction. Select OK. Now select features, linear pattern. Select direction. I select this face, downward direction. From here you can change the direction. Now select the distance. From here to here the distance is 9 plus 12. This is 21. Number of instances 1, 2, 3. Dimensions are same. Here select features and phases. Click inside this box. From here select boss extrude to. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now we create this hole, diameter 30 mm. Select circle command, draw one circle here. Right click, select option, smart dimension. Select this circle, diameter 30 mm. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch, extruded cut. Select through all. Select OK. Now this part is complete. We will give it some color. I select edit appearance. I select this green color. Select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe ExplainCAD.